Hello! Welcome to Shout in the Box, a non-profit fast food restaurant run by and for the benefit of the hearing impaired. Can I take your order?
Yeah, I'd like...
Speak up!
What?
What?
Oh!
What?
I'd like 2 hamburgers, small fries, and a coffee regular.
A regulator?
Regular!
Regular what?
Regular coffee!
Coffee, and we're deaf, ma'am, not sickly.
Look, I'll write it down for you. I'll write it down!
Oh, don't do that. Push the button.
What?
What?
Push what buttons?
There's a button there for each item on the menu. Just push what you want.
Oh, all right. Coffee. Let's see. Oh, there it is.
Coffee! Regular! Oh, regular coffee. Okay, that's $3.85, ma'am. Pull up to the window.
Thanks.
What?
Thank you!
Gesundheit! Hello, welcome to Shout in the Box. Can I take your order?
Yeah, I want a chicken snack box.
What?
I said I want a chicken snack box. What are you, deaf?
Yeah, what are you, stupid? Pull up to the window.